Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, we have already uploaded the first video Q1. So this is the second video of Q2. Okay, so this is weekly contest 157 and we are going to understand. Okay, so let's understand another problem, right? So what we have given, just pause this video and go through. So we have given a word string and we have to determine the maximum number of non-intersecting substring of word that are at least 4 character long, and we have to start and we have to provide the end with the same letter. Means substring is a continuous non-empty sequence of character within a string, right? Just pause this video and go through the statement again so you will understand clearly, right? Means first of all, what we have given a string and we need to return the maximum number of non-overlapping substring. Means the non-overlapping substring that start and end with the same character, right? And at least 4 character long, right? At least 4 characters should be long, right? And so if you pause this video and if you go through this explanation, right, you will understand. So what we have given in the word A, B, C, D, E, F, right? And then A, B, C, D, E, A, F, D, E, F. Okay, like this we have given. Means 2 substrings are like A, B, C, D, E, A and F, D, E, F, right? Like this we have given. So there is 2 substring and that is why answer is returning 2, right? So we have to choose, we can choose these 2, you can say substring, and that is, you can say, a non-overlapping type, right? And so it is saying we have to return the maximum number of non-intersecting substring of the word, right? The given word, right? And we have to return the non-intersecting substring. You understand? Means a kind of non-overlapping substring, right? So we need to return the maximum number of non-overlapping substring. Means the start and the end with the same character. As you can see in this substring, the start and the end with the same character, right? A is in the start and A in the last. A in the start and A in the end. Similarly, F we have here and F we have here. In the start and end both we have at least 4 character long, right? We have to take, see, at least how many characters should be there? 4 character long. Okay, understand, right? Okay, so what we want to calculate, or you can say collect all the valid substring that start and end with the same character and should be greater than or equal to 4 character, right? And then we will store them as an interval, and then we will use a greedy algorithm to select the maximum number of these intervals without overlapping. So let's understand here. So first of all, what we need to do, we have given this word, right? So we need to add here an interval. In the first step, what we need to do, we have to generate all the valid substring, right? And how we are going to do, right? So let's suppose this piece of code will do the generating the substring, right? Means we'll go for all the, you can say, characters, right? And for that, we have given the words and we have already counted the words length, right? So we'll go for all the character of the word, right? Then for at least 4 characters should be there, should be the length of the substring should be greater than or equal to 4, right? And for that we have to go from what? I plus 3, right? I plus 3 and j should be less than or equal to n, at least 4 character. Okay, then we'll check the value at start and value at end should be what? Is equal. Remember, right? So if the value at start and end of the substring are same, right, then it is valid one. We'll put into the intervals and then we will break it. Similarly, we'll do you can say sorting and everything we can do, right? So we'll sort all the valid substring of the given intervals we have already, right, by their end index, and this we will go do through the greedy steps. So we'll sort by the end help in the maximizing non-overlapping intervals, and for that you will do the sorting like this, right? Then we will apply a greedy selection to the count max non-overlapping string. How? You know, from the all the intervals will go through the interval start and end, right? So you have to check the start and end should be what? Should be at start, both should be at one place, right? So select this interval only if it doesn't overlap with the previous one. To do that, you have to check the start should be greater than the previous end, and for that you will keep counting how many is there, right? And then you check the previous end, you keep applying the previous one, you have to update the end of the last selected intervals, and finally you will return the we can say steps. Okay, means first of all, let's suppose what we have to do, we have to find all the substring, right? First of all, you have to find all the substring. So where let's suppose for s, like at the start and end character you have to check, right? So you will go for the all the loop, all the characters, and you will only check for the substring having you can say length should be greater than equal to 4, right? So find all the substring, right, and you check for all these conditions. Okay, first step will do. In the second step, you have to sort these you can say substring by their ending index, and then you will have to apply the greedy selection. You understand? So first you apply, right, you apply the sorting, right? You will do the sorting by their index. You have given a and b, and you do the sorting, okay, on the intervals, because you are keeping everything where in the intervals. So if you found the substring, you are keeping here, right, and then you have to do the sorting, right? Means you have to sort the substring by their ending index to apply the greedy selection. And the third step you have to do is greedily pick as many non-overlapping substring as possible, right? And for that you have to travel all the intervals, and you have to check start and end. You have to keep the start and end, and keep checking select these intervals only if it doesn't overlap. If it is not overlapping, just increase the count. And finally at the end, you know how many counts are there that doesn't overlaps, right? So you have to return the total count of the valid substring that is selected. It means which is not overlapping substrings, right? So I hope you understand, guys. If you want to update the you can say complexity of this code, please ping me in the comment box. Let us know in the more viewers how your approach is. And thank you for watching this video. Please keep subscribe this channel, and please write time complexity and space complexity in the comment box. If anybody is putting the time complexity and space complexity in the correct, I'll give the heart, and everyone will understand this is the right answer. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.